How to create animation videos for free. First of all, open up canva.com and then click on this video option right here. After that, you will get to see video on the top right here. Click on it. Now, wait for this part to load up. And as you can see, we now have an empty canvas on Canva. Now go over to the left side and select Elements. This is where you can find elements to add onto your project. And if you click on one, it will be added on the canvas right away. And if you want to upload your own thing, go over to the Upload section on the left side and select any image or element that you want to add right here. These are the ones that you can upload directly from your PC. So now I will go ahead and adjust the position according to my preference. Then let's go ahead and add one more image. If you click on the circular arrow on the bottom, you can drag it around to tilt the image position. So I'll go ahead and adjust its position as well. So now let's click on our previous element. Now, if you look on the top panel above your canvas, you will get to see a lot of options that you can use to customize your image. So let's click on Copy Style. Then click on an empty part on your canvas. And as you can see, the color has been added. Now let's select it again, and on the top, click on Transparency, and you can adjust the transparency of the element just like this. Now let's go ahead and select all the elements at once and click on Group. After that, go ahead and click on Share on the top right corner, then click on Download. Then select PNG or whichever format you want and click on Download. Now all the elements will be downloaded to your computer as one. So now let's select the elements, and then you will get to see a trash icon. Click on it to delete them. After that, let's get the file that we downloaded and drag it onto the Upload section. And if you click on Upload, you will see that it's being uploaded. And once it's done, just drag it onto your canvas. Now, let's adjust the sizing of our element. And in this case, I will adjust it to the entire canvas. Now, let's click on Text on the left panel and click on Add a Heading. Then replace the text with whatever text that you want. So for this example, I will go ahead and select Eiffel Tower. Then go over to the top and set the size for your text. Now click on the Font section. And as you can see, there are a lot of fonts that you can choose from on the left side. Then you have Text Color. Here, you can choose any color for your text that you want. So to show you, I will change the color to white. And as you can see, for now, it is invisible. Here on the top, you will get to see options like Edit and some other options that you can utilize to customize your image. But for the effect that we want to showcase, we will go ahead and adjust the position of the image. So make the changes according to your preference. After that, we will select the text that we added and position it according to our preference. Then click on the background and change its color. And as you can see, our background color has been changed and the text is now visible. Now click on the text and then select the three dots. After that, click on Duplicate. This way, you can duplicate any element or text on your canvas. So let's adjust it on top of the Tower of Pisa. Now, we will put it on our desired position, then select the entire text. Then, we will replace the text with Pisa. Now, just go ahead and check the positioning of your elements and text. Then make any necessary adjustments according to your preference. Now, we will go ahead and select the previous elements and delete this section. And as you can see, we're only left with the text. Now, we will go ahead and select both the text. After that, on the top, you will get to see the option to group. Click on it. And once you're done, let's go ahead and click on the Share option on the top right corner. Same way, we will click on Download and select PNG from the file type. Now, just click on Download. And this will be downloaded onto your computer as well. Now go to Uploads on the left side and then drag your downloaded file onto the Upload section. And as you can see, this element is being uploaded as well. So delete the previous ones and then click on your background color, and you can change the color if you want from the left side from all of these options. So I will go with orange right here. Now, let's go to the upload section and drag the elements that we downloaded. So here, we will adjust the position once again. So drag the corners and adjust the position according to your preference. For this one, I will adjust the Eiffel Tower in the middle. And once you're done, click on the text element. Here, let's position the text in a way that will put it on top of the Eiffel Tower. And once we're done with the text, let's go ahead and add the Eiffel Tower element again. Then, resize it and adjust its position to get the Tower of Pisa out of frame. So I'll go ahead and adjust the position of the Eiffel Tower right in the middle and with the Eiffel Tower text. And once it's done, you can click the lock icon to lock it up. To make further changes, unlock it and move the elements, and you can move them freely. This way, just make all the necessary changes and adjustments to make it look good and fit your preference. Once it's done, click on the page on the bottom bar and duplicate it. Then select the newly added page 2. Here, let's go ahead and rotate the Eiffel Tower section. And as you can see, we now have the Tower of Pisa instead. So, let's go ahead and resize it and change the position according to our preference, just like we did with the Eiffel Tower. Then, let's do the same thing for the text as well. But as you can see here, the Eiffel Tower text is coming into the frame. And in this case, we need it to be outside the frame. So, we will try to make the text image bigger. That way, we will be able to position it in a way that the other text is out of frame. So let's realign the Tower of Pisa to make it adjust better. Then select the text section again and make it bigger. Just drag the corners and enlarge the entire image. Then we position it, and as you can see, the Eiffel Tower text is now out of frame. Then make any further adjustments that you want. Now click on the background and click on the color option on the top, and then select your desired color for this background. Now go down to the bottom panel and click on the middle and select Add Transition. After that, you will get to see a lot of options on the left side. For this video, we will select Match and Move. And once you select it, you can set the duration right below. So I will set it at 1.6, but you can play it and check it out, then adjust the duration according to your preference. Now, just click on the play button. And as you can see, our animation is now being played out, and it looks pretty good. The Eiffel Tower is now transitioned into the Tower of Pisa. This way, you can play around on Canva and make different animations. And that is exactly how to create animation videos for free.